Right now for Monkey, I got one 2016 Upper Deck SPA Authentic Hockey. Good luck. Let's see what we can get for you. Keep sending your live break orders in. I think I might have one right after this as well. So you'll be good after this. Breaking a tenner later. Doing our Gold Rush Hockey in a bit. 3 spots left. I was actually getting low on decoys. I'm glad this happened. Malcolm Subban. I think we have the signed 8x10 football thing. We got to get a few more signed in there. Out of $9.99, Emile Poirier, $274 at $9.99. Peter Strzok out of $9.99. Connor McDavid draft moments. Young Guns Dauphin for the Coyotes. Pretty much. Two more autos hiding out on us. Ooh, we got a sick one. Tony Esposito, 13/25 for the Blackhawks. Marks of distinction, Tony Esposito, 13/25. Nice hit right there. Rick Nash. Kevin Hayes, sign of the Times auto for the Rangers. Jeff Skinner. 2 more to go. Daniel Sprong. Cool. Belichick and Schneider. All right. Thanks for the break. I'll be right back. Thanks.